Okay, so I'm pretty sure we have another mission now. What's it called? Out of control. This is the only one that I can do because the other one just takes. I need to take a picture and I can't do that yet. I need to get some supplies because I have crappy shit. I can use these coffee creamers even though they're not that good anymore. I don't want these guns. Need to find some better melee weapons. How does it look up there? It's not bad. It's still dark as hell. There's nothing I can do about it without distorting the crap out of the image. Frozen vegetables in a box on a roof. I think that's kind of a hazard. Not as bad as what I've seen, like putting produce in the beet section. That's bad. Get out of my way. You cause way more problems than you know. Oh, ooh, another mission. Oh, the place where I'm going, okay. That actually kind of is useful. Now I can get them all at once. I don't know where the Wonderland Plaza is, and I know a place I want to go to get better weapons. And it may or may not be out of the way. Get out of my way. I still can't get over that. A somersault kick. How do you do that? Holy shit, it's dark. What you're seeing is pretty much what I'm seeing right now. It is really dark here. Okay, I need to get up there. I want a katana. Good thing not this bad. This thing just cleans house. Oh yeah, there's stuff up here I want too. There's food. I'm probably going to replace the coffee creamers with orange juice. I think they do more. My general rule is going to be take about 2 melee weapons and the rest needs to be food.
Jeez.
Just to be safe. The movie land. I can't believe they have a movie theater in a mall. That is crazy. I don't know if that's legit or not, if they actually do that. Is the car still here? If it is, it'll probably be spawned in an inconvenient spot. I mean, I can't see shit. You're seeing what I'm seeing. Whoa, they just spawned in. That's interesting. There's way more zombies out here than there used to be. And I'm not joking. There's like 1,000 of these things. That jump kick is so good. Unless you're not close enough, and that happens about 90% of the time. Where's all the lights? Everything, there's no lights anywhere. Why aren't the lights on? I know it's night, but they shouldn't just shut off. It's kind of ironic though, right? It's like, the lights are on when you don't need them, but then they're off when you do need them. Okay. Move. Get out of my way. I want to go in this building. Thank you. Okay, where am I going here? Okay, I need to go this way. And it's telling me to go that way. Because I want a sledgehammer. Yeah, I know I'm going the wrong way. Quick detour. Drop this bat, because I'm pretty sure it's running out of stamina anyway. Oh crap. That's probably the most annoying thing in this game when you just get caught like that and you just lose health. Okay, what time is it? It's 11. I have 7 hours until I need to be back. I've actually remember never doing any of these missions right here because I was too scared to leave. Oh boy, what do you want? The supermarket. They have a supermarket here in a mall? The hell? I have to do all of these. How am I gonna do all of these missions? In 7 hours. That's like half an hour. I think. I mean, time seems to be going kind of quick. I mean, it's been an hour already, and how long have it been going? Like 10 minutes, if even? Okay, where am I? Oh, this is the place. Wait, what the hell? Even the escalators aren't on. I'm guessing this is it? Okay, what do you want? Yeah, I know. I can tell those things are going kind of quick. A little faster than they should be. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's a fucking boss fight, are you kidding me? A clown with chainsaws?
Everyone used to laugh at me.
Left in a little hat in your head, dude.
Was a walking punchline.
What? How do those chainsaws even work? I already hate clowns.
When the zombies came, everyone died.
This just makes it even worse. Like, what the fuck?
That's why I decided to give all the happy people a lift on this fun ride.
They're dolls. What's the problem?
Stop the ride, Gramps. If the ride stops, then the zombies come back, and that will be ending.
What is that? Like, what? Why aren't... How is that stopping the zombies coming? This is really weird. Okay. What the fuck? Throwing knives at me? Hey, get over here, dude. Take the sledgehammer, asshole. Ha, he got hit by his own shit. Well, he broke my weapon, are you kidding? This could be bad. And he's blowing fire at me. Holy shit, dude. Huh. What? I died! What the fuck? He took 4 health bars, or 3, or whatever. Really? Now I have to do all that again. Looks like we're trying this again. Trying a little bit different setup here. Oops. The hell? No, you don't, asshole. I see a little bit of your pattern now. I got hit by that. Get up, dude. What an idiot. Better not do that spinny blade thing on me. That's like an insta-kill. I'm too scared to get close to him, because it's an insta-kill at this point. And he broke my weapon instantly. Literally, I think that's what that block does. Yep. I need another weapon. Unless I can just jump kick him. Does that even do any damage? What are you doing? Uh-oh. No, you don't. Get that insta-kill shit out of here. I think it's doing very little damage. I need to heal. Wish I had a dodge roll, but I don't. No! Did you stop me from drinking or did you cancel it? Okay, you stopped me. Good. Scaring me now. Ow. Ha! Take that, asshole! Free damage. Whoa, that scared me. What are you doing now? That spinny shit, get that out of here. I think I'm doing very little damage, but it's gonna have to do. Oh shit. Time to heal. Is he dead? No, one more. Oh. Too bad you did that, because you're dead now. Asshole. I'll take that. What the fuck? That's fucking weird. You should have died a long time ago. What the fuck? This game's weird.